To add a contact, go to the Contacts model and click on the plus Add Contact button. When creating contacts, you don't need to fill out all of the available fields. You can limit yourself to the essentials and fill out only some fields, such as first name, last name, company name, phone number, or email. Don't forget to indicate a language, because this will be important when sending emails. You also need to make sure you choose the list to which the contact will be added. Having said that, if you have more time, you can fill out the entire form. The more information a contact contains, the more useful it will be, and the easier it will be to search your database later. Alternatively, you can also add a business account rather than adding a contact and assigning a business to it. When creating an account, you'll need to create a contact anyway. You can also add more than one contact to an account in the account card.